Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bunny and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be talking about what it means to hit 500 subscribers on YouTube and monetization. So there's a lot to go over, so let's get started. Also, Editing Bunny here. This video is sponsored by me, not anyone else. If you would like to check out my vinyl decals on my Etsy, the link will be below. It'd be really awesome if you checked them out. Thanks. So, there is a new program within the YouTube Partnership Program. And in order to apply to it, you need to have 500 subscribers and 3 valid uploads in the last 90 days. Also, you need 3,000 public watch hours or 3 million short views in the last 90 days. Now the hours for the long view is in the last year, but the shorts need to be in the last 90 days. So how do you start earning money at just 500 subscribers? This can be in a few ways. One can be fan funding and shopping features if you have something that you sell physically or digitally. Channel memberships are very popular, and it allows subscribers to pay monthly in order to get various perks of your channel, such as badges, emojis, and other perks. If you're a fan of going live, subscribers can now buy super chats and super stickers. Super chats is when their message in the live form will be highlighted, and super stickers are when they have an emoji that's kind of like pops up in the live chat. Now, if you sell merchandise or products that revolve around your YouTube channel, you can now open a store and sell directly to your subscribers so they don't have to go to an off site, and it makes it a lot easier for them, and YouTube is now a very trusted site, so that can make it easier on your subscribers. Now, in order to stay active and continue getting paid through YPP, that sounds funny, you have to at least have one upload in the last 6 months once you are monetized. Otherwise, they can demonetize your channel, and none of us want that unless you decide to not do it anymore, so which is all up to you. So currently I do not have 500 subscribers or even close to it, but I am working towards that, trying to get 1 video out, maybe 2 a week. Also uploading 2 shorts, because if you do really well on that, a lot of subscribers can come from the shorts, because that short form content is very popular right now. If you have any questions about anything below, let me know. And how are you getting subscribers on your channel? So thank you so much for watching. It has been a pleasure. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. If you disliked it, put that thumbs down. And I will see you next time. So have a great day.